The Big O isn't just the Olympic Stadium's nickname. A concrete tunnel in the shape of a flattened letter O built as a passageway for 1976 Summer Olympics athletes has been used by the skateboarding community as a skate pipe for years. It was moved 30 meters, 98 feet, from its original location to make way for Saputo Stadium expansion in 2013. On topic, skaters love the Olympic Park in general for its lines, curves, ramps, and railings, the perfect obstacle course for a budding skater aching to practice tricks and technique. The area is so favored by skaters that a state-of-the-art competitive skate park is in the works, to the tune of $750 million. Extreme sports events at the Olympic Park like Jackalope are expected to multiply in turn. The Big O can be used at any time. Just head to 3200 Viau Street, in between Sherbrooke and Pierre-De Coubertin, and you'll spot it soon enough.